Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flick Feathers again today. And another saltwater fly for you. This is a classic, this is the raise fly. You can tie them in various sizes and colours. It's just a nice wee simple bait fish imitation. Just tie them to suit the forage, you know, anchovies, silver sides, sand eels, just adjust the colour and the length of the wing. As always, there will be a materials list in the description along with a link to Patreon for anybody that would like to be eligible for future giveaways, and some social media. So, just got to start this. It's just a size 2, any standard saltwater hook will do, mustard, whatever, 3407. And I've just run on some clear nylon thread, although if you really want to you can use just like a flat wax nylon in white or whatever. I'm going to tie in some pearly body braid. Again, colour, kind of your choice, pearl or silver is ideal. White even. I'm just going to run this back along the shank to I'm about halfway between the point and the barb. Then I'll come back up, touch and turns. If you want to build up a bit of thickness you can overlap them slightly. I'll come back again. And then I'll stop about the point and then I'll come back to the front. That just puts a slight taper into the body. I'll tie that off. I mean, if you want you can fold this back and add a wee bit of flash to the underwing, but I'm just going to trim it away. Now, the one I had in the vise at first was just a colour that I quite like for around here. It's just white underwing, wee bit of silver, pink, and then olive with the peacock over the top. I'm going to have a slightly different one now. So the colour scheme will be a wee bit different, sort of more to represent a bay anchovy or something like that. So just throwing a couple of half hitches on there, I'll trim my thread, I'll come in with some varnish, just coat that up. You don't want to put too much on, that just protects it a wee bit, adds a bit of durability. I'll take that away. I've got one that I did earlier. Just a single coat of varnish over the pearl, just to protect it. The fish I'm fishing for here, like the sea bass and stuff, they don't really have teeth, but they've got the sort of rough, they've got the rough lips and that, and it will rub through the braid pretty quick if you don't varnish it. So, first wing, wee drop white, bucktail, very sparse bunch, just line it up. I mean, I'm just sort of hand stacking it, but I don't want it too even. Just don't want any wee short fibres or anything, I just want it to be a nice length and still a bit tapered, not too super long fibre. Length, well, up to you, depends on the bait fish. I'm going to make this a couple of inches long, sort of anchovy size. So that's 2 shank lengths, something like that. Just catch it in on top. 3 turns is plenty to hold it. Trim the waist off close. And I'll tidy up a wee bit. At this stage I'm going to add a wee bit of flash. This is the Sibai tinsel hair blend. It's holographic silver and pearl. Just 2 or 3 strands, that's all you need. Fold them back. I'll just trim them slightly unevenly, about the length of the longest bucktail. Now put a wee touch of fluorescent yellow next. Again, sparse. I mean, I've maybe got, I'm taking a bunch of maybe 20 hairs here. By the time I put all the short ones, I'm left with a very, very fine sparse bunch. Lay that in it, and I want it just slightly shorter than the white. Yeah, 3 wraps is plenty to hold it. Tie that off. I'll tidy up. So it's not the best bucktail there, it's sort of trying to flare a wee bit on me, but if you just press it, sort of put a wee crease in, it'll pull together reasonably well. Obviously once it's been fished it'll take the shape a bit better as well. And then for my back I'm just going to take a wee bit of tan. Again, this is a colour combination that served me quite well. Just lay that over the top of it, the same length as the yellow. Come in. You can see there it starts to take that wee bait fish shape. If you roll it, sort of crease the fibre slightly, it'll help. Right. Now, it's traditionally finished with peacock herl. I don't know that you really need it, but it just adds a nice wee dark bait fishy back to it. Sometimes I'll leave this off, but I'll just tie it in this one, just for you to see. Just 3 strands, 3/4 strands. If you're tying them really small at 4s or something for like really small bait, then I probably wouldn't bother. Just snap that away. Tidy up my head. I'll whip finish behind just because it's quicker. 2. Just wet my fingers a wee bit to draw that peacock into the bucktail. If you want, you can actually curve it with your scissors slightly to help it, encourage it to make that sort of teardrop bait fish profile. And that's the fly done. Dead simple. You could, if you wanted, stick jungle cock eyes on it, or like a sticky eye, but it works fine as it is. Obviously, but I had cement on the thread wraps there just to secure them. And there you have it. I hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. Raised fly. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up below and remember to subscribe to the channel. Tight lines guys, bye.